How to design beautiful wedding card using ChatGPT and Gemini. No design skill need. As you can see, here we have a wedding card prompt with the couple's name, wedding date, and venue. First, copy the full prompt. Now go to ChatGPT. Paste the prompt and click submit. And just like that, your first wedding invitation design is ready. Next, let's create another version using Gemini AI. Simply paste the same prompt and click submit. A second unique wedding card design is generated. Now, let's enhance both design in Photoshop and go to Image, Auto Color to improve the look. Do the same for the second card. Crop and resize the design to fix perfectly. And now take a look. You have two standing luxury wedding invitation card ready to use. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more AI design tutorial.